Today, I'm excited to share with you guys something that's been gaining a lot of attention in the skincare world lately, and it's hidden inside this box right here. Now I hear you, what's in the box? Well, it's this, the FaradBeauty LuxeHalo LED Mask. Now before you leave me at this point, I know what you're thinking. Another LED mask? LED is LED, right? Oh, LED is all hype. What makes this one different? Well, stick around because this here might just be the very best LED mask that I have ever used. And no, I'm not being paid to say that. But first, before we get on with this video, I want to ask you guys, have you ever personally tried an LED light mask? And if you have, which ones have you tried? Which ones do you think I should try? And which ones do you think I should steer well clear of? Now, it's no secret that I have a lot of LED face masks. At last count, I think I had like 22 of them. And don't get me wrong, I love my LED masks and I love that they come in all different shapes and sizes. But I have a bit of an issue with many of them, which is discomfort, the weight on my face, and those damn awful strap marks that made me look like I'd just wrestled with my skincare routine. This mask is seriously miles ahead of anything that I have used so far, and I'll tell you why. This mask is feather light. When you put it on, it's basically like wearing a pair of shades. In actual fact, I go as far as to say that I have glasses that weigh more than this. When you've got this on, you don't feel any pressure, there's no weight on your face, which, if like me, means you can actually enjoy your LED light therapy session rather than counting down the minute to when it's ended. And of course, there's this design. It's got this really clever hollow structure, which they call the bird nest design. And what that does is it promotes airflow. And if you've ever used an LED mask before, you will know airflow is everything. Basically, the improved airflow, all of these gaps here act like vents, which means that you don't get all hot, you don't get sweaty, you don't have an increase in sebum production. You just don't get that trapped in an oven feeling like you do with other LED masks. But alongside this bird's nest design, we also have the inbuilt eye protection. Now this means that when you're wearing this mask, you don't have to put goggles on, you can carry on playing with your phone, you can stream on Netflix, get around doing what you need to do around the home or at work or wherever you are. Basically, it lets you treat and see what you're doing at the same time. But there's more. These inbuilt eye goggles are actually just the right height so that when you've got the mask on, the mask isn't touching your skin and it is at the perfectly optimized distance so that your skin is able to absorb and soak up all of that really good energy that the LED lights are putting out. It gives really super even coverage across the entire face. And basically, your skin is going to get to drink up all of those benefits without the discomfort. Now, as you can see, I'm getting ready to use this mask. But before I do put it on, something that I always do before I use any type of LED light therapy is to apply a green tea serum. Now, there's actually some studies looking into the benefits of using green tea alongside LED light therapy. This is by far the best green tea serum to use alongside your LED light therapy. So it's what I'm going to be putting on my skin. We're just going to go for a few pumps. Now, as I've got a green tea serum on, I am going to be going for the red light therapy. And then I guess we'll carry on talking through why this mask is live. So power it on. And then I take it up to a level 3. Now this is going to run for 10 minutes. I promise you guys, I'm not going to force you to sit here for 10 minutes while I'm wearing this. We'll speed through a lot of it, take it off, and then you can have a little bit of a look at what's gone on. And then you can go on about your day. But basically, within the bird's nest structure of the FaradBeauty mask, there are 216 highly optimized LED lights. And then you've got your different therapies. You've got your red light therapy, you've got your near infrared light therapy, blue light therapy, we have got yellow light therapy. Now for anti-aging, the red light that I'm using at the moment is operating at 630 nanometers. This is your go-to for anti-aging skincare treatments. It's going to penetrate deep into the skin, stimulating that collagen production, which in turn is going to help with those elastin levels, which in turn can help to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles and plump everything up. So if you're looking to address the visible signs of aging, then this is the one for you. Now at 850 nanometers, near infrared light works slightly differently, but also quite similarly. And near infrared light is actually invisible to the naked eye. Now this penetrates much deeper than the normal red light therapy, reaching deep into the dermis layer. And basically it improves skin healing and cellular rejuvenation at a cellular level. It's known to improve circulation and boost the skin's natural repair processes. Okay, then we've got the blue light, which comes in at 465 nanometers. And this is absolutely fantastic for acne prone skin. And the way that it works is it basically neutralizes or destroys the acne causing bacteria. In turn, what this does is it helps to kind of put a stop to any breakouts that you've got going on, and it also minimizes the likelihood of experiencing future breakouts. And there's more, because blue light is believed to help balance oil production, which is an absolute win-win if you're like me and your T-zone is an absolute grease pit. I mean, it's going to be gentle, it's going to be subtle, but every little helps. And then we've got the yellow light, which comes in at 590 nanometers. Now, yellow light is all about calming and soothing, and it works on a much more superficial level to help reduce redness, fade dark spots and pigmentation, and even out the skin tone. So basically, whether you're looking to deal with pigmentation, whether you're looking at taking on Father Time and amping up your anti-aging efforts, or you're just looking to maintain a healthy glow, this mask has got you covered. Now, like I said, the Farad Luxe mask does run on a timer. Now, the default is at 10 minutes, but all you do is you push and hold the M button or the mode button, and it will take it up to 15, 20, and all the way up to 30. Now, for me personally, I really appreciate having that level of control over any treatments that I'm doing to my skin. And I mean, come on, let's be honest, who doesn't want to tailor their skin treatments to their own skin? Because I think it's pretty clear already, whether you're new to the world of skincare or you're an old hat like me, there's literally no one size fits all routine for everybody. Skincare is highly personal, so this extra little bit of control is a good thing. And I'm done! Now, the LuxeHalo mask from FaradBeauty is waterproof, it's dustproof, and it is so easy to clean. Literally, no fuss, no stress. And as I said earlier, because this is actually so lightweight and comfortable to wear, I genuinely, hand on heart, look forwards to using this mask, which, if you know me, that says a lot. Now, I use this mask every other day, so I use it on a Monday, I use it on a Wednesday, I use it on a Friday, then I use it on a Sunday, then I use it on a Tuesday. So the 7-day week means that the days are alternating every 2 weeks. Now, I've excluded all of my other LED masks from my routine, which was no great hardship, because after the first use of this one, I was literally a convert to this bird's nest design and the lightweight feeling of this. Like, for me, there's no going back. Now, excluding all of those from my routine for the last month, this one, I saw results within the first couple of weeks. That's subtle, but my pigmentation issues on the cheeks where we've had summer here definitely even that out. Combining this with the matcha serum also has visibly improved the appearance of the fine lines that are on my upper cheek area at the outer part of the eye, also known as crow's feet. But my skin is looking brighter, it's looking more rejuvenated, and overall the tone is just, I mean, I couldn't ask for more. And I mean, come on, with Halloween just around the corner, I am definitely going out as Jason this year. But in all seriousness, if you're on the fence and you've been thinking about trying LED light therapy masks, or maybe, like me, you've just been a bit frustrated with past masks that you've used, the LuxeHalo from FaradBeauty is definitely one that I would personally recommend that you look into, because ultimately it's all about finding what works best for you. And for me, this mask is the creme de la creme. It's literally what I have been looking for in an LED mask. And for 2024 and 2023 and even 2022, this is my favorite mask. Easily my favorite. I just can't wait to put this on again. But I'd love to know what you guys think about LED light therapy, whether you personally tried it yourself or whether you want to try it. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any masks that you feel like I should completely steer clear of, or if there are ones that you think could possibly knock this one off the top spot. Good luck. I don't think it's going to happen, but I'm always keen to hear. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my new skincare videos. Thanks for joining me and my 43-year-old face for this video today. My heart feels all warm and fuzzy knowing that you're here still with me. But thanks for watching, and I really look forward to seeing you next time. So have an absolutely amazing day, and I guess until then, TJ over and out.